We're at ICAST, checking out the latest in fishing gear and tech. Check out the others, link down below. Let's jump in.
This is the StrikeMaster 40V Maven. It's our brand new ice auger for this 2025-2026 season. So we're able to reduce the overall footprint of the handle. It's more ergonomic, more compact. It's 14.5 pounds in weight. We went to full synthetic flighting with an aluminum shaft that really helped with the weight reduction. On the bottom, you'll see the magnetic snap cap, which really helps with the on and off of the blade cover.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Super easy. And what I like, well, obviously we got the operation light, but what I like the most here is this bubble level that's right in the middle. Guarantees a straight hole every single time.
I noticed that. That's really cool.
Yeah, outside of that, it's the same battery, same 5 amp battery. With this, you're gonna get up to 2,000 inches of ice with the 8-inch. We've also got a 10, and I think it's 1,400 inches ice that we can get out of the 10. But it's very fast, very efficient. It's an auger that you can have to run and gun, get out in the lake, drill a whole bunch of holes. It's perfect for in the wheelhouse with the smaller handle template that we have here, so you can get into corners. It's also got a variable throttle so you can ease into it. And in a lot of cases when you're drilling inside of the house, you can start your hole, start a little slower, and vary that speed all the way through the hole so you're not throwing a whole bunch of ice all over your floor.
And so the battery, you said, is it interchangeable? So if I already have a 40 volt, which I do, I can use those batteries and just upgrade the unit. Of course, you get a battery with the unit, right?
Yep. We actually get 2 batteries with this unit.
Oh, 2 batteries?
2 batteries with this unit. So batteries are backwards compatible. So you can use backwards and forwards compatible. So you can use the 5 amp hour batteries that you got with your first 40 volt, and you can use them with this new Maven and vice versa.
Oh, that's exciting. And you got a nice grip, rubberized grip on there too.
Got
so
a good
it's not just
grip.
hard plastic. So that way, even if you have like wet, slippery gloves on or bare hands, it's nice other than the hard plastic, which is
when we
great.
designed this, we paid a lot of attention to the ergonomics and just the comfort and the feel. And, traditional augers of old, had a, especially with our old StrikeMaster gas augers, they had that really big, platform, wider platform, which you needed to be able to control the torque of the system. Where these blade systems have evolved to is you don't have the drag or the torque that you used to have, but you still have efficiency and you still have speed. And that's what we have here. With those advancements, you're able to, condense or make things a lot smaller and still be able to control it and have a great experience while drilling through the ice.
Oh, that's awesome. So from everything from the handles to the variable speed trigger to can you trigger the light again here?
Sure.
I want to show them here. This is literally the lightest bright that I've seen on an auger to date so far. And is this the same blade cover that you guys have available now, or is this all new for the Maven?
It's new because the carriage system itself, carriage in the Maven blades is different than we have with the old laser. So this magnetic snap cover is different than the laser system.
Awesome. And will you sell just the flighting separately, so people that want to do drill augers or anything like that?
Right now, this will just all be together. Obviously, we'll have it for replacement if for some reason you were to break or damage the system that you have right now, but we're not going to sell it on its own in as a light flight.
Okay, cool.
Not yet. Go out and get yourself a Maven.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
No problem.